Hi guys, welcome back to BBP channel. Today will be a new review on the Biswap that I have been investing ever since it launched, I think 2 months ago. So I have been holding Biswap ever since they launched the 1000 APY auto staking under your launch pool. Okay, so under auto compound, last time when I start, right, the APY is at 1000%, but right now, while more and more people has been staking under this auto compound, the APY has been dropped to 141% only. Okay, so something about good news about this Biswap is because yesterday they had launched that you can see from here, right, there's a Binance Lab has been announced that they will be doing a strategic investment in Biswap, and which is a popular project on the Binance Smart Chain. And Biswap is a decentralized exchange platform where automated market maker powered by Binance Smart Chain. And Biswap is also one of the winners from the Binance Smart Chain Most Valuable Builder MVB2 initiative in April. Okay, so Binance is pleased to announce that the Binance Lab, the venture capital and incubator of Binance, make a strategic investment in Biswap, which have a unique Type 3 referral program which user can receive earnings of their referrals activities from farm launch pool and also swap on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, and Nico Chang, which is the director of the Binance Lab, say that Biswap is one of the most innovative and also popular project on the Binance Smart Chain, and this investment is in line with the Binance Lab ongoing initiative to promote DeFi and also blockchain infrastructure. And the Binance Lab has been always too committed to supporting fast and executing technical teams which have the potential to positively impact the crypto space, build decentralized web, and also help the BSC ecosystem growth. So ever since, right, it launched the news under Twitter and also on the Binance Lab website, and the price for Biswap has been rose from like 70 cents to $1 yesterday. So my portfolio of this Biswap has also increased lah. So I managed to break even everything already, and I'm on the green, which is still profiting from Biswap. So I'm still going to hold this Biswap token because ever since I swapped my USDT into Biswap, I didn't really sell any BSW tokens, but I slowly accumulate from my this staking pool, which is the launch pool, and keep on accumulate my Biswap tokens. So right now I'm holding like 15,000 Biswap tokens and 16,000 this USDT worth. And previously I was taking in this Kala, but the Kala price has been dropped, so I just moved back to BSW pool. Okay, so I will see whether what price is in the green or slightly higher than BSW, then I will stake. Then after, once I stake, I will harvest and I will exchange to the back to BSW or even to Cake or other tokens that I can still stake back as a DeFi projects. So if you're interested for this Biswap, maybe you can take a look, because ever since Binance Lab invested yesterday, the price for the Biswap has been increased. So more and more people were having more confidence in Biswap, because it will be like something like a baby swap, or even the the pancake swap. Okay, so it's a decentralized exchange where you are able to exchange the tokens that you want here. You can click on exchange and you can just maybe you can use your BNB or even other stable coins or even your BUSD or your ETH to swap to whatever tokens that you want. And they support multiple different tokens here, such as Sushi Swap, Bunny, BUSD, USDT, Dogecoin, BTC, which is Bitcoin, or Ethereum, WAP Ethereum, USDC, USDT, and UST, and a lot more. Okay, so maybe if you want to know more information, maybe you can visit Biswap, and I will leave the links below so that you can also earn commission based on the links once you do some exchange. And currently the exchange price for BSW is all 100% of the trading fee will be returned in BSW tokens. Okay, and you can use the BSW tokens to either farm under the farm or even the launch pool. Okay, launch pool is a single token staking, but the farm is the double staking, so you will be able to do it. Currently all the APR for all the pools has been boosted, so if you place the pools every day, you can earn around 5 BSW tokens here. Okay, so ever since Binance Lab had announced a strategic investment with Biswap, I think the Biswap price will be up there steadily. When there's like new funds pumped inside, they may go up even further. Or the all-time high for the Biswap is at $1.7, so we are still halfway there. Okay, it dropped to the lowest of 27 cents, which is I think a few days ago only, on the 12th. Then slowly it went up. Yeah, so this is the all-time low, and we will be reaching our all-time high when we have more news about Binance Lab really input more funds into Biswap. So Biswap is offer multiple farming opportunity for you to earn double rewards, and also to really increase your DeFi profits and also potential. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to know more about Biswap, you can visit their Twitter page or even the biswap.org, where I will leave all the links below. And let me know what are your thoughts on Biswap, or are you also an investor on Biswap? And thank you for watching. See you and bye bye. Take care.
Hello guys, first of all, welcome to our channel. If you enjoy our videos, please like and comment below. Don't forget to click on the bell icons, and remember to subscribe and click here for more videos.